Dictation at the rate of 100 words per minute. Passage number 10. Start. This is the first time that there is such a big gathering of all our public sector undertakings. This is the right time to have such a gathering because we are all aware of the improved situation and the good work that you have done. It is the major effort made by the chairman, the managers, and other executives of the public enterprises which has brought about this change. We are meeting at a time when the national morale is high and there is a mood of confidence in the public sector. For the first time, you need no longer be apologetic or on the defensive. Higher production, especially in the public sector, is one of the objectives of our new economic program. We are naturally gratified at the good account you have given of yourself, and I sincerely hope that this will be kept up. The economy as a whole has performed very well this year. We have just provided for the biggest increase ever for development in the coming year. The aim in doing so is to take fuller advantage of the positive factors for more dynamic growth that have emerged after 5 years of problems and challenges. When we had to grapple with immediate problems, we are today in a position once again to move forward swiftly along the road of national development. In this task, the public enterprises have a very big part to play. They must not only increase production but also contribute directly to the mobilization of resources. In the last 2 years, public enterprises have generated as much gross internal resources as during the entire fourth plan. This is commendable. I am sure you will continue to justify the nation's confidence. No country in this world can progress or even effectively retain its freedom without a strong industrial base, and such a base cannot be built in a newly freed country without the state initiative. Our public sector is an essential feature and dynamic instrument of socialism. This is precisely why it has been under so much attack. Now, earlier managerial failure made it an easier target, but this fault is not confined to the public sector. The private sector has been equally guilty. Otherwise, we would not have so many sick mills on our hands. Anyway, the improved performance of public enterprises has taken the wind out of the observers' sails, but we cannot afford to be complacent. The performance in many units is still not satisfactory. I am aware that some causes are not of your making. There has been shortage of capital, lack of orders, sometimes obsolete technology, and even initial poor design, but managerial deficiencies have also contributed. We must continuously improve this dynamism in both the public and private enterprises. I am glad that some of your projects are disproving the false charge that the government is unimaginative compared to a private owner. If you show dynamism, if you are able to handle your problems, there will be full government support. Letter. Dear sirs, I understand from one of my friends in your organization that there is an opening for a salesman in the tools department. 4 years experience in the erection department of J engineering works gives me the confidence to apply for this post. I decided 5 years ago when I graduated from Andhra University that explaining the use of tools and selling them was my love and my life's work. My first job was a sort of works manager in a local engineering workshop manufacturing motor parts. On the strength of that, I got a job on the erection department of the J engineering where I have been ever since. I am 28 years of age. I possess very good health and a pleasing personality. I am told that I have a good flair for meeting many people and striking transactions with them. The managing director of the J Engineering Works will be pleased to tell you anything more about my work. I, however, enclose a few testimonials and reprints of the projects and design work to give you an idea of the kind of work I do. I look forward to the chance of a personal interview. Thanking you, yours faithfully. Over.